Hello everyone! Well, yung mission natin for today is pupuntahan natin yung Digi Hub cellphone and gadgets repair kasi pinaayos ko yung laptop ko. And then, pagkatapos natin kunin yung laptop, magkakaroon tayo ng a little bit of walking tour sa SM Mindpro. Ayan, so okay na ang laptop ko guys. Well, thank you Digi Hub. Salamat Sir Sancho. And let's go and ready na tayo for the walking tour sa SM Mindpro. Let's go. Alright, let's start at the first floor. So, dito guys, pwede kayong kumain. May mga coffee shop dito. Nandito rin yung Starbucks. And meron ding mga kainan. So, sa first floor pa lang, busog na kayo guys. Now, it's time to shop for clothing. So, here. So, enjoy clothing. So, just bench. So, this is bench. And this is shop. Alright, so let's move on to the third floor. Tingnan natin guys kung anong meron dito. Okay, then let's go to wellness zone. This one, that's barber shop. Okay, this is World of Fun. So this is World of Fun. This is World of Fun. Now it's time for kids to have fun. Well, while kids have fun at Kids Suna, well, si mom and dad pwede naman mag-relax. Pwede pa gupit and pa-nail polish para naman magkaroon ng me time. So, you're looking for gifts? Andyan naman ang Cyber Zone, guys. So, ang daming pagpipilian. It's movie time! Alright, so before we end our walking tour, mag-freshen up muna tayo, guys. So, punta muna tayo ng powder room. Alright, so dyan nagtatapos ang walking tour natin, guys. And please write your shopping experience dito sa SM Mindpro sa comment box. Again, this is Sasuka, not an expert but just want to share.